This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone photos not showing up in iMessage on iPhone. So if you're trying to send some photos in your iMessage but you see the image not loading or not showing, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is enable Wi-Fi assist. Open settings, tap on mobile or cellular data, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here you will find this Wi-Fi assist. So make sure to enable this one and then open your control center and here change your internet connection from Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. Then check the issue. And the second solution is set correct date and time. Go to settings, general, date and time, and here tap on time zone and select your time zone. Then select your exact time zone and enable set automatically and then check the issue. And the third solution is log out of Apple ID and log back in. Open settings, tap on your name, media and purchases, sign out again, then sign back in and then check the issue. And the last solution is reset network settings. Go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this solution will fix your iMessage image not loading issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.